What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Learn AI. If you're new, special welcome to you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the voice permission in Grok AI in Chrome. So if you're using Google Chrome with Grok and you realize that your microphone is always triggering, once you start to speak, you can easily turn that off or disable it. So to do that, simply click on the voices. Once you click on the voices, is that it's going to automatically turn it on. But if you want to disable that, just simply go ahead and click microphone in the upper left hand side. As you can see, once I'm in voice, it's going to go ahead and start it. So click on the microphone right here in the upper left and simple toggle off the microphone right here. And that's how you disable the microphone in Grok. So right away, you can see that the microphone is no longer enabled and you can easily go ahead and work with Grok normally if you want to record, if you want to do whatever. But once you're ready again, you can easily toggle this feature on to select the permissions. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. I just want to say that if you're working with the microphone and you enable this, then it's going to always trigger in Grok once you select voices. And so if you want to have some control, you can always turn it on or off right here within Google Chrome. It's going to be pretty similar in other browsers as well, and so you'll be able to disable it. But that's how you turn it off in Google Chrome, guys.